Hi, Assalamualaikum. Before we begin our presentation, let me introduce our group member. Our project group is from class CS510 3A. First, our project manager is Muhammad Sharam Haikal bin Abdul Hamid, who is responsible for planning, coordinating tasks, and ensuring the project runs smoothly. Next, our lead programmer is Muhammad Faiz bin Chirazi, who developed the C++ program and implemented the logic for checking the properties of relation. Our program designer is Adam Danish, who designed the flowchart and pseudocode for the system. And our project analysis is Zuhairi bin Zabidi, who analyzed the program requirement and verified the program results based on discrete structure theory. Lastly, I am Ahmad Muhaimin. I contribute as an assistant programmer where I help in coding, testing, and formatting the output, as well as preparing the documentation and video presentation. Together, we collaborated to successfully complete this project. For our group project, we selected question 2, which is focused on the properties of relations. This question covers 3 main properties in discrete structure, which are reflexive, symmetric, and transitive relation. The first requirement is to embed the rule of reflexive, symmetry, and transitive relation into our program. Next, we need to write a program that reads a set of elements and its relation. The input can be entered to the console, text file, or GUI. For example, the input relation is shown as ordered pairs such as 1 1, 1 2, 1 2, 2 2, 2 3, and 4 4. Our program then determines whether the given relation satisfies the reflexive, symmetry, and transitive properties. If the relation satisfies all 3 properties, the program will display the relation is reflexive, symmetry, and transitive. In addition, our program is also able to generate the reflexive closure, symmetric closure, and transitive closure when needed. Overall, this question allows us to apply theoretical concept from discrete structure into practical C++ program.
Okay, so for the introduction, this group project was completed for CS510, which is discrete structure course, where students were required to select and solve one problem from a set of 4 questions. After discussion among group members, question 2 was chosen, which focused on the properties of relation reflexive, symmetric, and transitive, core concept in discrete mathematics. The objective of this group project is to design and develop a C++ program that determines whether a given relation satisfies these properties and generate the corresponding reflexive, symmetric, and transitive closure when required. The program was implemented using a Dev C++ environment with a non-graphical text-based interface to emphasize logical and algorithmic analysis. In discrete mathematics, the binary relation is defined as a subset of the Cartesian product of two sets and is represented using ordered pairs. A relation is reflexive if every element is related to itself, symmetric if each ordered pair has a corresponding reverse pair, and transitive if the existence of two related pairs implies a third. So, a relation that satisfies all properties is known as an equivalent relation.
Our group project problem statement is firstly is relation properties. There are 3 relation properties which is reflexive, symmetric, transitive. These are the key topics in math and computer science. But students often struggle to determine these properties manually. There are error requires due to misunderstood definition and misordered pairs. There are large sets make manual analysis more difficult. Finding relation closures manually is time-consuming and error-prone. So, to the purpose solution for our group project is develop a computer-based program for relation analysis. Users can easily input sets and relation, so the program will automatically check the relation properties and generates required closely accurately and reduce errors and save time. This can improve understanding through systematic analysis.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Faiz bin Chirazi. I'm from CS2533A. So, I am the programmer for this project, this structure 510. So, today I will demonstrate this project. First of all, this is the coding I've done using dev software for C++. So for the first step is we compile and run. And then we wait until it appears. Okay. So the user can enter the number of element. For example, I enter the number 6, and then user will enter for the first pair 1 and 1, the second pair is 1 and 2, third pair is 2 and 1, the fourth pair is 2 and 2, and then 3 and 3, for the last one is 4 and 4. It will show the set of elements that the user enter. So from the set of element, it will determine whether it is reflexive, symmetric, and transitive in this question. So for this question, it is reflective, that show 1 and 1, 2 and 2, 3 and 3, and then 4 and 4. This is reflexive. And for the second one, symmetric. So this set of element is symmetric because it have 1 and 2 and 2 and 1. For the last one is transitive. This set is transitive because we can use 1 and 1, 1 and 1, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 2 and 1, 2 and 1, 2 and 2, 2 and 2, 2 and 3, and then 4 and 4. As we know, transitive is such a bridge. We call it as a bridge. Yes. That's all, and then we can press any key to continue. Alright, it's done. Thank you. That's all from me. See you soon.
In conclusion, this project successfully demonstrates the practical application of relation properties in discrete structures. We developed a program that can determine whether a given relation is reflexive, symmetric, and transitive. The program also generates the required closures when necessary, making the analysis more accurate and efficient. Through this project, we were able to apply theoretical concepts in a real programming environment using C++. This not only strengthened our understanding of discrete mathematics, but also improved our problem solving and programming skill. Working on this system also highlighted the importance of teamwork, careful planning, and time management. Overall, this project has enhanced our academic knowledge and technical abilities. The experience gained will be valuable for future studies and professional application, especially in areas where relation analysis and logical reasoning are essential. Thank you. That's all for us.